Hi Flutes, this video is going to help you with the notes at the top of page 5. And there's a new note that we have right at the very top of page 5, measure 169. So it's the top right corner of the page. You have a new note that's called G, and actually the fingering is already written in there for you. So G is our thumb in the back, always on the lower key here. 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3, with a little space here. And then our pinky here on the end. It's a high note. So we're going to have to blow fast air through a small hole right here. So keep your hole small. And the air blowing very fast through. Play that with me. Now if yours is coming out low, try blowing a little bit faster and just bring the corners in of your lips. Bring that in just a little bit. Notice how my lips look. Very small. See how it opens up more when it's low? You can see how that hole gets smaller right there. And that's what you have to do is make that smaller hole. Play that G again. So 3 fingers, pinky. So that's our new note that we have. Let's have you go ahead and fill in the other notes and we'll review that together. So pause this if you need to, and then I'll give you the answers. So here is what you should have written at the top of the page there. So you have B flat, which is going to be your thumb, both pointer fingers and the pinky. Then you have C, this note here is C. So you're going to have your top, your thumb, not your top. Not your thumb. You're going to have your pointer finger and your pinky. Then you're going to have D. This is the note D. That's the fingering for D. Then you have E flat, everything except your pointer finger. Then you have F. Remember to put your pointer finger down for F. And then G is like F, we just lifted up one finger here. Those are the fingerings you should have. Okay, let's try playing these notes together. I want to just sustain them out. Okay, so B flat. So again, here's the fingering. Okay. Pointer finger, pinky, and our thumb. Sustain that with me. Now lift up your thumb, lift up your pointer finger. Keep this left hand pointer finger down, and we're on C. Play that with me. Then put your fingers for D. Remember, these are the 2 fingers we use, middle finger and ring finger. All 3 fingers here of our right hand. No pinky though. Okay, and thumb is covering here in the back. D. And again. And sitting up nice and tall, holding my flute level. Add the pinky down, now you're on E flat. And again. Now we're going to lift up these 2 fingers, keep the pinky where it is, put the pointer finger here down. So we have 1, 2, 3 of our left hand, pointer finger of our right hand. This is going to be a high note. Make sure it's coming out high. One more time. And then just lift up your pointer finger. So you just have your 3 fingers of your left hand and the pinky on the end to help you balance. And then you're on the G. Make sure the F and the G go higher than the E flat. Let's try playing 4 B's, 4 C's, 4 D's, 4 notes on each of these notes, and we're going to use the ta. Ta, ta, ta. So keep blowing a steady breath. You're not going to go 4 breaths, you're going to go 1 breath and move your tongue 4 times, okay? Do B flat, C, D, all these notes across the page. 2, ready? That might take some practice. But that's a really good way to practice your ta and practice these notes too. All right, below that we have our tonal patterns. So take a look at your tonal patterns there. Again, see if you can fill that in on your own. And I'll show you the answers here in just a sec after you restart the video. Here's what you should have. So here we have B flat, F, B flat. This third note, even though it doesn't have the flat sign on it, you can see it's in the same line that the B is. When you have a flat in a measure, it means all the B's in the measure are B flats. So B flat, B flat, B flat, F, B flat. Here we're going to start on the F, go up to that new note G that we just learned. So F, G, F. Here we start on the G up high and then come down. G, F, E flat, D, C, B flat. Here is E flat, and then down to B flat, and then this third note is also E flat. Notice it sits in the same place as the E. So this is an E flat, this note's an E flat. So E flat, B flat, E flat, and then we have G, F, E flat. Let's practice playing these, see how it goes. Make sure you can see my fingers here. So with these, it's really important to practice the finger movements so you're comfortable changing notes this way. So we have B flat, F, B flat. So B flat and F are very similar, it's just these two fingers are going to move. My thumb is down here in the back. B flat, F, B flat. Sounds like this. Make sure it goes up. Play that with me. Try it again. One more time, and all we're moving, B flat, F, B flat, is these two fingers. That's the only movement. These fingers stay up. Okay, all the other fingers stay down. Ready? Go. And that idea of what's moving as I change notes is a really important way to think about. If you're having trouble with changing between a couple different notes, think about, well, what fingers are moving? So for example, on 171, we're going to go F, G, F. All we have to move is that one finger. F, G, F. We're just lifting up this one finger. Keep it high though. So fast air blowing, and the t at the start of the note helps energize the note so that that note's going to be more likely to come out high. Again. One more time, ready? Go. So hopefully you're getting up to that G. That's a really important thing. Now 172, we start on the G. You play that G with me? That's our starting note. Then we're going to go down. G, F, E flat, D, C, B flat. Sounds like this. Listen. Play that with me. You ready? Go. And you can see how each note gets a little lower. And so that's something you can practice there. Now 173, we're going to go E flat, B flat, E flat. And again, think about what moves. So here's E flat, this pointer finger's in the air. E flat, B flat, pointer finger went down, back to E flat. Say that and move your fingers. E flat, B flat, E flat. Sounds like this. You try it. Ready? Go. And all of these patterns are all going to be used in the songs that we see on this page. So as we practice these patterns, we're getting our fingers used to the movements they're going to need to play these songs. Try it again. Ready? Go. Now 174 is going to be G, F, E flat. Don't forget to lift up this finger when you go to E flat. Say it with me, move your fingers. G, F, E flat. Sounds like this. Play with me. One more time. Now, those are the tonal patterns. You can practice those, do the fingers, do the notes, make sure your sounds match my sounds. I want to play for you the rhythm line. There's another video to help you with that, but I just want to play it on the flute so you hear what it sounds like. So here is the rhythm line, and I'm thinking 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 4, and that's my B. I'm going to play it on the note D, which is a nice comfortable note. Ready? And go. So that's what the rhythm line will sound like on the flute, and you can go watch the rhythm video to help you with that. Okay, good luck as you get on to page 5 here.